guys, let's do some real quick word talk. I've picked 3 words today that we're going to do. We're going to start off easier, a little bit hard, and then a lot hard. Not a lot hard, but a little bit harder. So here we go. Our first word, our easy word, is R. And no, I'm not going to read it to you, you stinkers. A, C, K. I want you to pause me for just a minute, and at home you look at this word and you think what you know about this word. You can write it down, you can sidewalk chalk it, you can even paint it on a piece of paper, you could color it with markers, just get it down somewhere. Pause me. All right. I'm fixing to tell you everything I know about this word, so if you don't want any secrets given away, you better pause me now. All right, here we go. The secrets are being spilled as we speak. I'm going to code it like this. I'm going to code it like this, and I'm sure you all remember why. The A is short. He says ah. He does not say A. He says ah, and he's being blocked. This is his imaginary door. It's an invisible imaginary door at the end of the word. I put 1 line under CK because it's a digraphic, cannot be pulled apart. 2 letters come together, make a new sound, cannot be pulled apart. You will cut his feet off. He'll be very sad. We've talked about this. So, this is our word. It has 3 sounds or 3 phonemes. It says ack. What's your word? You got it. Rack. We always put a digraph, and I'm going to repeat this over and over and over and over till it sticks in your little noggins at the end of a 1 syllable, which is 1 bite word, followed by a short vowel. Yes, I know. Some of you are at home rolling your eyes saying, Miss Thompson, you've told us that 45 times. But I guarantee you, for about most of you, it's not sticking. So listen every time I say it. Here's your next one. Let's see. I'm trying to find you a good one. Let's do this one. C, U, F, and another F. And no, you stinkers, I'm not reading it to you. You can copy it down. Not reading it to you. I am going to code it. So if you don't want all the secrets of this word given away, you better pause me now. I'm coding your word. I'm coding your word. Bink! All right, here we go. We got the twins. They make 1 sound. One does all the talking. The other one zips his lip. He doesn't say a thing. So when they work together, they just say F. They make 1 F sound. When some of you guys came in to test with me, and when some of you guys read with me, I noticed you try to read it like this. You try to say k, f, f, k, f, 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 isn't a word. So I want you to always, always remember that the second F you do not have to make any sound for. He is a quiet little twin letter. So let's read our word. Cuff. Cuff. A cuff is like the end of the sleeve on your shirt. Cuff. Now, we called in the twins because this is a 1 syllable short vowel word that ended in F, L, or S. And yes, I'm going to keep repeating that one too. So get over it. You're going to hear it a lot. All right, here's your last one. This one's going to be just a little bit harder. Not a lot, but a little. It's Puffs. Copy that down if you would like to. Pause me now because I'm about to start coding. All right, it's a closed syllable, so the U is short. I'm putting a breathe on it. There's a suffix S. He can be boxed up and sent to France for vacation if we decide we don't need him on the word. In fact, let's make him a little shape to cover him up with for when we don't need him. How does that sound? So, bink, he can be gone to France. All right, and also there's a twin. I got to mark one out. They come together, they make 1 sound, they say F, but that dude gets marked out because he does not talk. I didn't cut him apart, so all you people out there squealing, but you cut his feet off, Miss Thompson, he's going to bleed. I didn't. I just put a little mark on him to help you remember. He does not say anything. He is a quiet little letter. It's the first one that does all the talking, and the second one zips his lip. All right, our word, I'm not going to read it to you, but our word, if you had trouble with it, you could take this little guy right here and you could cover your S up, or you could take your hand if you don't have a handy dandy blue box. Cover your S off, ship him to France. He's on vacation. Bye-bye, S. Come back later. Now we have our base word left behind. It's following some rules. The U is in a closed syllable. The door is shut. He's being blocked. The twins were called in because it's a 1 syllable word with a short vowel that ends in F, L, or S. So, let's read our base word. Puff, like puff of breath. If you want to take more than 1, it's puffs. Ooh, unvoiced S. Puffs. So keep practicing your words. Hop over to the next leaf because I'm fixing to give you a spelling challenge.